Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing to share with you, and I've got Cult Beauty, the Recovery Edit. This was released a couple of days ago. It contains 8 products. It has a value of £140 and can be purchased for £39. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find links down below in my description, as well as any offers and deals. Currently, Cult Beauty have a 40% off sale, so I'll pop that down below, as well as their other limited edition beauty boxes. I believe if you use code U15 you're able to receive 15% off them, but if I can find out any other codes, and especially if they can be used against this, then I'll pop it down there as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, then that will bring everything up and you'll see it all down there. So yeah, so let's open this up and show you what's inside. I haven't had a look yet. There's your sneak peek. There's no cards or leaflets detailing the products inside the boxes, but if you want to find out more information about them, then all the products that are featured in the boxes, you can purchase them individually off the Cult Beauty website, so you're able to find out more information that way. So we go through the masks first. We've got a MoodPatch by Patchology. This is chill mode. Soothing cannabis seed oil infused eye gels. And there's one pair in there. It says formulated with natural tea leaves and cannabis seed oil for soothing, smoothing and looking like a smoke show. No smoking required. Then we've got a sleep mask. These are self-heating masks by spacemasks.com. As soon as you rip this open, pull it out, then it starts to activate. They don't send me off to sleep, but they do relax me, and they're particularly great if you do suffer from headaches. So yeah. Then we have got a body and pillow mist. This is by Pacifica, 100% vegan, cruelty-free lavender moon. Relaxing plant-powered aromatherapy, and there's 118 mils there. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Yeah, does it say what else is in there? Lavender and rose. Now, I hate the smell of rose, but I think it complements it. It's not too bad. It's not really highly scented either, because some of them are so strong it makes you cough. But no, this one isn't. This is really nice. Spray your body, your pillow or your sheets with our water-based spray infused with our signature aromatherapy blends. Then we got some supplements. These are by Nuco. These are sleep drops. Food supplements with valerian root. And there's 30 mils there. Less knock you out, more gently powder down and unwind. Valerian root and passion flower help to calm, whilst catnip and chamomile set you up for a good night's sleep. Use our liquid sleep tincture 30 minutes before bed or whenever you need a helping hand drifting off. 12 drops, my gosh, that's loads. 12 drops under the tongue, 30 minutes before you go to bed. Serving per customer, there's 30. So this will just last you. No, that is wrong. 12 drops under the tongue. This will only last you 2.5 days. No, it can't. No, that's got to be wrong. 1 dropper full every night. That makes more sense. I was thinking 12 drops. But no, look, it does. It says it on there. 12 drops under the tongue. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, just the one. Just the one. We have got here by PSA, Purposeful Skincare by Ali's, and this is Silver Lining, a clarifying cream, and it's a treatment moisturiser to be used day or night. A new brand for me, PSA. Have you tried any of their products before? Fights breakouts and smooths affected area, fades appearance of blemish marks, helps to control sebum production and minimise future breakouts. I actually might give this to my daughter. I'll have to look into it a little bit more, but yeah, it's more suited for her skin than mine. I'm trying to come off my spironolactone to control my acne. My polycystic ovary syndrome symptoms then. As we get older, it's normal for our testosterone levels to naturally drop, and because with polycystic ovary syndrome my testosterone has always been really high, so I've been on medication for the last 8 years to control it and to help with all the symptoms of PCOS I've got, and it's been amazing. It's been the only medication that's ever worked, that's ever helped me. So The doctors want me to trial coming off it slowly, so I'm already noticing my hair getting greasier. Oh, I just hope I don't come back with spots. I don't know. It's all a bit of an experiment at the moment, but it's not just that. It's I'm enjoying not being really hairy. I used to be really hairy and I'm not anymore. Anyway, I think I'd give that to my daughter. Then we got Briogeo Superfoods. This is avocado, kiwi, mega moisture, 3-in-1 leave-in spray for your hair. It detangles, conditions, and it has UV protection. And there's 51 mils there. No, it doesn't say much more on there. Yeah, so we've got something for your hair there. Then we've got a mask by Summer Fridays. This is Overtime Mask to exfoliate. There's 64 grams there. Suitable for all skin types, can be used AM or PM. There's a little information booklet in there as well. And that's what it looks like. Soothing oat kernel proteins and free radical fighting antioxidants make this brightening mask the ultimate glow getter. And then lastly, we've got really heavy. Oh, ESPA, the grounding crystals. And there's 55 grams here. Oh, I bet this is going to smell amazing. Oh, look at them, they're so pretty. Looks so pretty. It's got clove in it. I hate the smell of clove. Ooh, it's helping me breathe a lot easier. Sprinkle crystals into a warm bath and swirl through the water, watching them dissolve. Breathe in the nurturing, aromatic, and make it your intention to let go of any negativity as you sink your body into the fragrant water. Oh, I haven't got a bath. But most bath products like this, oh, it's making my eyes water. Most bath products like this, I do foot baths. But because I'm not that keen on the scent, I am gonna give that to someone. I might add it as a little extra Christmas present. But yeah, not my cup of tea. I just don't like the smell of cloves. So those are all the items in the recovery edit. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we got some Mood cannabis oil, eye patches. We've got a self-heating space mask. We've got a Pacifica lavender moon body and pillow mist. The Nuco sleep drops supplement. We've got Briogeo. This is a Superfood 3-in-1 hairspray. Got PSA silver lining moisturizer. We've got an Overtime exfoliating mask by Summer Fridays. And we've got the grounding crystals by ESPA. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this box. Did you go out and buy it? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? How does it compare to their other boxes? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.